Well, welcome to my next video. I'm getting back to the alphabet boxes again. I'm kind of switching back and forth between projects. I'm up to the J box, and I found this font, which is the elephant. The name of the font is Elephant, actually. Now I liked it because I have this big space down here. Thought I could throw a drawer in there, and I got it kind of oval shaped, so it'll only go in one way. So it'll be a 3-drawer box. I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna cut this, but I'm gonna put the base back on it so it'll have a support. Again, I'm going to cut it with a number 12 super skip tooth blade. This is mainly 2x scrap and some 1x. I got a backing plate on it that I'm going to cut. Should have the backing for it. And should be a fairly quick project, but we'll see how it goes. Also have a few clips of me showing the material that I gathered and how I cut it and shaped it to get to this point. So I'll throw that in there before we start cutting on it. Okay, I'm going to bite the bullet on this one and call this done. I'm not happy with it at all. In fact, I got up this morning, I was going to sand the whole front of that off and start over. And I went to show it to my wife, talk with her. She said, no, leave it. It doesn't look manufactured. She said, it looks like homemade and it looks rustic. Anyway, I'm going to go with it like this for now. I'm not happy with it. Now, you can tell it's a J, but it's just a rough finish. And I may do a little more sanding and work on it later, but yeah, my intent this morning was to totally sand the whole front of that off and start over. But she talked me out of it. So I'm going to go with it for now. And if I do anything in the future, I may do a follow-up on it. I'm not happy. This project fought me at every step. Nothing wanted to work right. My saw broke in the middle of it. I thought I was done. I was going to get a new saw, but a half a day or a day and a half's work, I managed to get it, find the right bolts to put it back together. Bolt broke on the bottom blade holder, broke off the arm. But anyway, it's been a tough project to do, but I got it done. It should be simple, but it wasn't. Sometimes that happens. But I'm going to call it good for now because I'm way behind on getting this video up. So if you like that, hit the like button. And if you don't like it, I'd understand. But hit that also, just because anything that you do kind of keeps me visible in the eyes of YouTube. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I've got some more quilt type patterns. I'm going to try to get into some 3D looking stuff in that in the next ones. And then I still got the rest of the alphabet. I'm only up to J, so I got a ways to go there. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.